everyone, welcome to my Soapy Kitchen. Today we are going to be making something with camel milk powder and sea salt. We are going to be making a salt bath, and what we're going to do is we're not going to make like a sis trick. This one's really fun for fizzing bath powder too, but it's so large that I just want to dump it out and put a little bit in to play with it. So we're just going to do, this is the container, and I'm so into skulls this season. I don't know why. So hopefully I'll be able to get that in there. I've got a little funnel if I can remember where I put it. Otherwise, yes, I found my funnel. I have everything. Let's put it where I can find it when I need it. Right here. So we are going to make some fun bath salts with the leftover NA that we had here. So we're not going to make a lot. We're just going to make enough for one skull because that's going to be fun. And we are going to color it bright neon green. I'm going to add to this the goat's milk powder. I'm just going to add about a tablespoon. Ooh, that smells neat. Ooh, that smells really neat. This kind of smells like the sheep's yogurt. I don't know if you've had sheep's yogurt, but it tastes like those candies that you get from China, the White Rabbit. Now, White Rabbit candies are something that my parents would always get at the Mandarin house when I was a little girl. They always gave them out at the end. It was wonderful. It's one thing I remember from my childhood. Was there any kind of special treats, international treats that you ever got when you went to your favorite restaurant? Oof, that is quite strong. So hopefully my perfume will be will complement it. I'm going to go ahead and get it all. Now, because this is a Halloween project and I wanted to do something fun, I'm going to make it tint my bath green. We're going to use all of this. And this is an alcohol base, so it's going to dry pretty quickly too, and it shouldn't clump. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to fill up my guy here right away. Let's get it all, because this stuff is precious. My precious water dispersible dyes. They're so precious. I will save those leftovers for my own bath. You guys think I'm kidding? I'm not. That's nice. That's really nice. I think I'm going to add a little more of the NA scent. Okay, this one is from the candle maker store. And we're just going to add a little bit. Now keep in mind these are going to smell very alcoholic for a while. You need to get all those little bits of the milk smushed in. Now, because this has to be stored for a little while, I'm going to go ahead and store it in my skull. And I'm not going to fill it full. We're just going to put what we can get in there, half full. I get these at Canadian Tire. They seem to have them every year, so every year I buy a couple of packs of these. I love them because they are reusable. I really like interactive kind of bath treats and things that are reusable. And this is a DIY for just about everybody out there. You can get fragrance oils at Michael's or Hobby Lobby or wherever you want to get them. You can use vodka, or you can use, moonshine or isopropyl alcohol like I used for my my dyes. Now that isopropyl smell will dissipate once you put it in your bath if you choose to use an isopropyl type alcohol. Now this is a chunky salt. These are chunky salts. You'll need about a tablespoon for your bath. I find it plenty relaxing. Oh, that scent is perfect. Let's see. I'm about half full, but I'm going to go ahead and put as much in here as it will because I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to shake it out. I just got to make sure there's a little shaking room in case it decides to stick a little bit or the crystals decide to grow with that little bit of water that's in there. So I want to be able to break them down. See, I've got a little bit of a pusher there. You're wondering, it's slow, but it's doing the job. I hope you're having a wonderful Halloween and you're finding fun ways to do new fun ways to celebrate or new ways to do what you always want to do that's safe. Oh yeah, I'm totally get it all in there. Woohoo! So this is so for me. If you would like one made for you, just let me know. I have several dozen of these beautiful skulls ready for custom blends of bath salts, or we can put a nice bubble bath in here, a powdered bubble bath, or we could put a bath bomb in here. I mean, fairy dust is a beautiful thing to put in here too. Just make sure that your fairy dust is completely dry, or you'll have a bath bomb in here and maybe that's not what you want, or maybe that is what you want. So just know that it will probably solidify depending on your formulation. All right, now let me show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to put a little bit of water in my water bowl, my mixing bowl, and that extra green. Just do the bath right here. I'll make my little dishwater bath bomb for myself for later. I'm going to rinse off everything. So I got a little bit of color there. And I'm going to take all of this and put that in too. I'll show you how to shake it. And then just use it as you like it. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and come on back to my Soapy Kitchen anytime. Happy Halloween. Happy Day of the Dead. Los Dios de Muertos. I'm not good at that yet. I'll have to look that one up. Yeah. Bye for now.